What sets an English double apart from French, Flemish, and Italian harpsichords is the addition of a fourth row of jacks located way closer to the keyboard. Called the nasal or nasal, the short distance from the nut to the plectrum relative to the speaking length of the strings creates a softer, more nasal sound than the jacks under the main jack rail here. The nasal shares a string with the forward 8, located here, so we must install the jacks and regulate the registers for both the forward 8 and the nasal at the same time, whilst also making sure that neither interferes with the vibration of the back 8 or 4-foot strings. This regulating nut, combined with the capstans at the soprano end, right here, ensure that the registers only move enough to engage and disengage their respective choirs. It's a distance measured in fractions of a millimeter. So if we play this right now, so that's the nasal, and this is the forward 8. But now, with all of them playing, if you look very closely down here, the 4-foot string here is extremely close to the jack. So we have to make sure that the jack for the forward 8 is far enough away from the 4-foot string that it doesn't buzz against it. And I've already regulated it so it doesn't.